Cashmere is cozy perfection. Lightweight, buttery soft, and just the right kind of warmth. But brand new, it's crazy expensive. I recently bought a few cashmere jumpers from charity shops. They are either shrunk or have moth holes, but at very affordable prices. Today, I'll show you my step-by-step process to rescue and revive thrifted cashmere, from unshrinking to invisible mend. This is how I added more cashmere items to my collection without the crazy price tag. Let's get started. Step 1. Lukewarm water. Step 2. I simply, and rather bravely, experimented with just adding hair conditioner and mixing it well with the water. Here's why it worked. Cashmere fibers have tiny scales just like our hair. When washed in hot water, heat and agitation make these fibers tighten up and cause the shrinking. So hair conditioners can help to smooth them and let them slide back into places. Starting with this cashmere blend jumper, I soaked it in lukewarm water for 30 minutes. Step 4. Lightly squeeze the jumper and take it out of water. Place it flat on a dry towel and gently roll them together, like when you make those little sushi maki rolls. This is to dry the jumper a little bit more. And finally, slowly and gently pull and stretch the jumper in all directions. You can start to see the conditioner has worked its magic. The jumper is now growing. Once the jumper is restored to its original size, lay it flat to dry. It is now the next day. I've also washed another thrifted jumper. They are all now dried, soft and fluffy again. The only thing left to do is to patch up those holes. I am not an expert in invisible mending, but I found a super helpful tutorial online, and with some imagination, I managed to patch up these two jumpers, and I'm really pleased with the final results. I mean, sure, you can still tell that this has been mended before, but I kind of like that. So yeah, I upcycled these jumpers and I saved like £100 at least, and they're super nice to wear in the UK during the spring. I hope you enjoyed my video and found it useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.